So we are back with our chemistry language, and we are only focusing on what we call oxides. Remember, by definition, an oxide is just a compound that contains one oxygen what? Atom. And the following are the examples of what? Oxides. Number one, we have what we call neutral oxide, basic oxide, acidic oxide, and amphoteric what? Oxide. And according to our question, we are presented with types of what? Examples of oxides. So let's go. Aluminum oxide, calcium oxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, iron what? 3 oxides, and we've been given hydrogen oxide, which is also called what? H2O, and zinc what? Oxide. And our question A is saying, which two oxides are amphoteric? Which two oxides are amphoteric? So for you to pick among the types of oxide that have been given, to only choose two oxides that are going to represent amphoteric oxide, all you need to do first is to understand what type of oxides are amphoteric oxide. Remember that the amphoteric oxide, these are oxides that exhibit either the characteristics of what? Acidic or basic. So among the given oxides, the one we can pick that can exhibit both characteristics of acidic and basic, we are going to pick number one. Number one, we are going to pick zinc what? Oxide. Number two, we can pick aluminum what? Aluminum what? Oxide. These are the two common examples that normally represent amphoteric what? Oxide. Then let's go to question B. Which two oxides are neutral? Which two oxides are neutral? Neutral oxides exhibit neither acidic nor basic characteristics. They exhibit neither acidic nor basic what? Characteristics. Therefore, according to the list that we've been given, we can pick neutral oxides to be what? Number one, we can pick carbon monoxide. Number two, we can pick H2O to be what? Neutral. Then, from here now, we need to proceed to question C. Question C is saying, state the other types of what? Oxides. State the other types of oxide and give an example of each type. So, the other types of oxide that we haven't talked about here are basic and acidic. So, let's go. If I say, a good example, the other type is what? Acidic oxide. Then the example that I can pick on this list is going to be what? Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is an example of what we call acidic what? Oxide. And let's go to the other example, which is going to be what? Basic oxide. The other type of oxide. Then the example that I can pick to represent the basic oxide on this list is going to be what? Calcium oxide. Just by doing it in this way, I have responded to this particular question. Remember, we are just looking at what we call oxide, and stay focused. Make sure that you pause the video, you copy the questions, and you try to study them so that you understand. Remember, getting a distinction is not an easy job. All you need to focus on right now as a GCE, you need to study very hard. And don't be intimidated by people who are saying, no, you can just study in less than 1 hour. There's nothing like that. Science is bulky. In science, there's physics and there's what? Chemistry. All you need to do is to focus on both subjects so that you can clear with that distinction you've been dreaming about. So it has been your tutor, Mr. Soup. Stay focused. Remember, it is Soup Sana. Tabesha Tata.